Welcome back to our Pilates and Wellbeing program. We're here doing our Face Pilates tutorial, and our next exercise is going to be focusing on the mouth and cheek area. We're going to be doing our exercise called the O and the Ah. All right, so we're balancing between the O and then really opening into an Ah, which is a little bit wider. So it's O. Think of lengthening your cheeks down and trying to take out the lines above your lip. O, Ah. And that Ah is dropping your chin down a little bit more down towards the floor. O, Ah. O, Ah. It helps to make the sounds to really get that shape. Continue. O, Ah. O, Ah. O, Ah, lengthen, O, Ah, and rest. Continue on for 3 more sets of 10.